Time for another Crimson Desert tutorial, and today we are at Anvil Hill Cave, and I'm going to show you how to get a bunch of gold ore. And so we're going to just head over here to Anvil Cave. Here it is on the map, and then you're going to just float down there, jump, and then just float on down and get to the bottom here. And then the entrance is right over here to the right. And then you're going to use a force palm and just break up that big boulder. And then you can go on into the cave. And then I'm going to get out my pick. And now along the way, there's not really anything that you can mine, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. You can use the force palm on some of the walls to get some, what are they, like stalactites or something like that, that will drop off from there that you can use later on as in crafting, but don't worry about that too much. And then in here in the main cave is where all the gold ore is, and it's pretty intuitive to find it. It's just these big little piles right here. So I'm going to go ahead and mine it, and you can get several things of ore here. So just spend a few minutes in here and just mine everything that you can, and it should be in the 20s, something like 23 to 25 chunks of gold ore that you can get out of this little mine, which is awesome. Looks like I got 23. Perfect. I don't think there's anything left in here. I'm going to check this side over here real quick. I don't think there's anything over here. Okay, now I'm just going to go on out, and there's one other thing that you can, a little item in this area that you can pick up if you want. You could just sell it or use it, and that is a shield. And we'll just come on over here to the right out of the cave, and in this little opening area up here on the top there is going to be a Dekar, a shield that you can pick up. Also, I just like to go up and just kind of look up top because it's kind of neat, but there's the shield right down there. You can pick that up if you want, and then you can, like I said, you can use it or sell it. Well, there you go. That is how you get into the cave and pick up lots of gold ore. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.